Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I want to give you an update on Assetara. This is a platform that I've been testing for the last 2 weeks. I just finished my first staking plan of 14 days. Today I want to show you the results. I'm planning to activate a new staking plan. I'm going to perform a live withdrawal because, as usual, to me that's the easiest way to keep you updated. In the end, we all want to know if that is working fine or not. If you haven't seen my previous videos, Assetara is one of the high-risk platforms that I've been testing recently. Not because I think it's completely safe, but because we want to see how these systems behave in real conditions. So instead of overhyping it, telling you what is good, what is not, I decided to put some risk capital debt and test it. It also makes good content for YouTube. And if we can earn some rewards completely passively, well, why not? If at any point you would like to give it a try, I always recommend you to do your own due diligence, your own research, not only with this platform, but with any platform in the crypto space. Make sure you understand how it works and participate only with risk capital. That's exactly what I'm doing here. They have two different sections. One is the classic USD plan. The returns are starting at 1%. It all depends how much we decide to allocate here. We can collect rewards daily. And for the second model, they are running a native token. It's called Assetara. We can use that token to collect extra rewards inside the platform. Rewards that later we can turn into any cryptocurrency. We can stake those tokens and generate some profits over time. That's exactly what I did with my first staking plan. So far, everything is working normally. The rewards, the updates, withdrawals are fast, practically instant. We're gonna test those in a second. But again, this is still a new platform, so I continue treating it carefully. With any opportunity similar to this one, it's a platform risk, liquidity risk, token volatility, transparency. So we have to consider all of this. That's why, for me, it's still an experiment. What I like is that they are giving us a lot of information, not only here in the website, where you can learn more about the plans, the token. They have a roadmap, they have a presentation, a white paper, investors memorandum, tokenomics, and here you can also find links to the Telegram community, the group and the chat. There is also a YouTube channel. You have resources. They also have a referral program, and we cover all of that in my previous videos as well. Let's go inside the members area, and honestly, I like the site. It looks pretty cool, and we have all the stats here in the main dashboard, and here in the left side we have all the tabs that we need to move around. Basically, the most important are these ones. Receive. This is where we perform deposits. That's how we basically get started, selecting the coin, the network, and after the deposit is completed, we will see here our balance, and withdrawals are right here in sent. Let me show you the plans first, and you find those ones right here where it says deposits. They have different plans. It all depends of your starting capital. You can start with as little as 10 USDT. That is giving you a 1% and goes up to 1.8%. But for this one, you need a deposit of 250,000. Here you can build your plan the way you want it. You select the length of your stake. It could go up to 140 days. The shortest plan is 28 days. If you decide to collect profits weekly, they will give you a 3% in extra rewards. If you decide to collect at the end of the cycle, you will have another 5%. But with this alternative, you don't have compounding. The compounding is only active in the weekly or daily, and you can select here how much you want to compound. That is for the USD plan. I'm currently running one plan, the plan that is giving me a 1% daily. But in the other side, I just finished one of the staking plans right here in completed. I had 12,000 Assetara tokens. And when you finish your stake, the tokens are burned and you get your rewards in USDT or the cryptocurrency that you prefer. And those are the ones that I have right here. I want to go in again with a new staking plan. Before they have different alternatives for shorter periods, but now they only have the 65 days or 40 days. I'm gonna take this one 40 days, but I'm going to need 25,000 tokens. I have 10,000 right here, so I need to buy another 15,000, and to do that I go to the token section. This is where we can buy it. The price right now of the token is sitting right here, and all I need to do is come to this box, select where I have my balance, which is this one in USDT, and I'm going to purchase 15,000 tokens, which is around 135 USDT. So I buy it and we got it. Now I go back to staking. Now I have 25,000 to purchase this plan. With 40 days, this will be our return. If I leave it for the maximum of 125 days, then this is the amount of ASRA we will have. I'm going to put it in, well, maybe 60 days. And here with this option, if you enable it, you can decide what type of crypto you want to collect those rewards. It says your stake ASRA token will be burned after the lock period ends. So we will have, well, I will collect USDT, and this is going to be my profit. And now I click in stake. Oh, by the way, this is connecting to our wallet. I create a separate wallet for this project, and we got it right here, our new stake of 25,000 ASRA. Now I'm going to collect this balance right here. Let's perform a withdrawal, and to do that I just select where I have the balance. I'm going to collect it in BIP20. I have my wallet there. I'm going to claim all of this balance. We have a network fee of 1 USDT. Let me provide my PIN and I'll be back. And it says complete. It should come to this balance in a second. Let's wait. There is also another option here called betting, more or less like Polymarket, where we need to choose the next possible winner. And also they have something here called task, where we can collect daily rewards, daily, weekly, and monthly. As long as you complete all of these tasks, you can claim those rewards just like this. Those ones are going to be added right here to this balance. Check it out right there, and you can turn it into rewards or eventually into any cryptocurrency. Well, here went to 0. Let's check the balance, and we got it. That was the 56. So another successful withdrawal from Assetara. Well, guys, this is all that I want to show you today. Simple update. Let me know what you think about this one. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the Crypto Leader. Happy compoundings.